Hello everyone, my name is Sharukhana saputra, kelas 12 kelas 2. In here, I want to make simple omurice. Let's do it.
For the ingredients, 3 eggs, 1 sausage, 1 milk, hot sauce to taste. Crack 1 egg at a time. Then beat until smooth. Then add milk to taste. And stir again until complete. Okay, next. Turn on the stove. Not too big.
You didn't have to cut me off.
Add a little cooking oil and wait for it to warm up. Remember it's warm.
A few minutes later.
Okay, then put the beaten egg into the teflon. Then stir it like I did. I don't know what this is called. Just follow what I do. If you can flip this egg, flip it as much as you can. Sorry if I'm bad at cooking. Remove the flour from the stove. Prepare a plate. Add enough rice. Then add the omurice egg on top of the rice. Split feel the sensation. Add the cut sausage as topping. Then add hot sauce as well.